Hello, we are making a YouTube video. So, anyways, we're gonna do a dare contest. Spider-Man and Dolphin Ninja against Bluebird. I'm Bluebird. Yeah. So, that's my dolphin. Anyways, my real name, Everett. Don't tell anyone. So we're gonna start off with truth or dare. Truth or dare. Wait, no, you do it to me first. I'll go first because I'm older. Stop. Stop. Can't see you.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to jump off of that.
Okay. Yeah, you might want to hold it like that. That's the camera over there. Okay, I'm getting off, everybody. Oh my ugly shoes. My shoes, they're not ugly, they're beautiful. So, if you would like, here, hand me the camera for a second. So, I have to jump down there. It's a far jump, but won't really hurt that bad, probably. That's my foot, and that's the jump. So you want to videotape me? That's the camera right there, so don't put your fingers there. They're still in front of it.